400 reps to effectively utilizing the jab cross through capitalizing on your opponent's mistakes. Shadow boxing workout. Hella work. Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here. And it's going to be pretty intense. We're going to be going through the basics of what you need to be doing prior to actually implementing the punch. Now, take it one step at a time, have fun in the process, and of course, be a student to the game. That is the best way to progress. Now, if you need some more to get smarter, but other than that, let's begin. All right, let's get started. Now, imagine you have a jump rope in your hand, and you're imagining it going around your body, and you're staying nice and light on those toes to understand the rhythm and flow from which you gain from this exercise. It is great to stay loose, being relaxed in the craziest of moments, and of course, understanding your body mechanics and when to use it when it matters the most. Now we're gonna go side to side, get that blood flowing. Think about what it is that you're about to get yourself into. Now, if you're not used to this, take your time. That's gonna be relatively complicated. But if you have an open mind, you will understand it and you get to where you need to go. All right, now from here, we're gonna get into the box stance. Square stance, just like you see me facing you here. Tuck your chin, front your torso, hands up, protect your vital organs. You can take the right foot back, right hand dominant, left foot back, left hand back if you're southpaw, left hand dominant. But I'm regular, so I'll keep my hand, my distance, and my stance just as it is now. Now I'm just gonna get comfortable rocking back and forth. So I'm shifting my weight to my left, to my right. Everything comes from this flow pattern right here, okay? Now as you're getting comfortable, you don't wanna be squared, make sure your body's 45 degree angle. All right, again, just try to stay loose and tight. Don't overthink, because that's what's gonna get you. And of course, breathe. All right, now, for the first 50 reps, you have to get comfortable just moving around before we can get into everything else, because you're gonna be super awkward otherwise. So we're simply going to move around in a square stance. So push up that back foot to go forward and to the left, just like you see here. And then push up that front foot to go to the right and to the back, just like this. But we're gonna take 2 steps in each direction and try not to cross your legs. And we're gonna start at 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stay nice and light on your toes. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, switch directions. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, tuck your chin. 31, keep them elbows in. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, 50 reps now. All right, now for the second thing, just like as I was stating before, understanding that shifting of the weight from the front foot to the back foot, because everything comes off from that. That's how you want it to flow. We're gonna get in to the slipping left and slipping right. That's where your first counter is going to come from when it comes to the jab cross. So understand the shifting, slipping to the left, you're gonna slightly dip to the front, leaning your shoulders forward, not too much, and of course make sure your head breaks that center line, and you're doing it from the waist, and it's the same going to the right. So it's like this here. I'm gonna start 3, 2, I'm gonna take it slowly. 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, speed up, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now we're going to incorporate the movement with it. 26, 27, 28. It's going to be a little more complicated if that foot and hand-eye coordination isn't there. 26, 27, I know that's a little on count. 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 38, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. All right, now before we even get into incorporating slipping with the jab or the cross, we have to just understand jab and the cross by itself. So we're gonna do the first 25 reps of the jab and then 25 reps of the cross, and we're gonna put them together, all right? So we're gonna start with 3, 2, and when you're throwing the jab, you're throwing it straight from the guard, not cocking it back, and your hips slightly rotate out, and your shoulders in and off right on the bottom of the cheek to protect the face for an oncoming punch if you were to miss that jab, and right back to the face. So all together, just like that, stationary, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is where it gets complicated. Now we're gonna incorporate movement. 13, pushing off the back foot at the same time, we're doing it at the same time. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, now we're gonna move the cross, same vice versa, except you're retracting your front shoulder back, slingshotting the cross outward, first 2 knuckles in the center, thinking about it, making contact with your imaginary opponent, right back, your hip is going forward, and you're putting out a cigarette with that back foot to maximize the power. So all together, just like this. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, now moving around doing it. 14, 15, 16, stay calm and composed. 16, tuck your chin. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Right back. All right, so right now we're about 150 reps down. Right now for the next 50, we're gonna be doing the jab cross together, 25 in total, to get to that halfway mark of 200 reps. And then for the second half, that's when we're gonna be utilizing the counter punching with that jab cross so you effectively understand just the basics before getting into it. All right, so all together, jab, cross. So one motion, shifting on the way forward, back, going forward. So all together, and fully extended. Don't shorten it up. You want to do it in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now incorporating movement. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, way done. Heck yeah. Right now, this is where it's gonna start getting tricky because we're incorporating what we did before. So now, we're gonna do slip left, jab coming up. Each one counts as 2. So if we do 25, that's 50 reps. All right, so let's let this all together. And right back to the start, and right back to your baseline. So again, and make sure your head breaks that center line back to your stance. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now actually think about a person trying to hit you, you're slipping and you're coming back with your counter. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 50 reps down. All right, now for the next 50, you're gonna incorporate it right hand side. So I'm slipping right, spring loading that back leg, boom, with that cross maximum power. So all together, see I'm breaking, come back with the cross. All right, keeping those hands up. So again, all right, back. I'm gonna do, again, 50 reps. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep that punch straight from the elbow and not from the shoulder, so don't flare that shoulder out. 10. Try your best to imitate me as best as you can. 11. 13. Oops. My bad. Get too hard. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 300 reps down. Heck yeah. All right, now, we're not gonna do too many of these, but we're gonna do 25, well, no, we're gonna do 20 step backs, and then we're gonna incorporate that with the jab cross. So if you like this here, person coming in hard, stepping back to get out of range, using that back foot. After we do the step back though, propel forward with the jab cross. But just a step back, just like this here. All right, keep your posture straight. You're not leaning all the way back. Keep your posture straight. You're stepping back right out of the void. And if you need to afterwards to come back with the counter, you're able to do so because you open yourself up or your opponent up to be getting hit. All right, we're gonna do step backs in 3, 2, remember 20, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep them hands up. 6, elbows in. Nice step, nice and loose and relax. 7, don't mess up the count there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't give up on yourself. 13, you got this. 14, 15, have fun. That's the best way to learn quickly. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, now get into the grand finale. 80 punches stemming from the step back. I'm not gonna count step back, just the punches itself. So we're gonna be doing it 40 times total. It's gonna take the most out of you. And I want you to give it all you got and actually think about an opponent trying to come up on you, step back, and come forward. They step back, and come forward with that jab cross as hard as possible, in a straight line as possible. And remember, the jab cross is the quickest to get to the target, and it does a lot of damage because sometimes it's a lot harder to see that punch because it's such a straight line. It's very deceiving. All right, so again, just like this here, step back, jab, cross, right back to the face, punching from the guard. Do not cock it back. I'm gonna start 3, finish strong. 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 26, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Give it all you got. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, halfway. Let's go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, stay loose, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 400 reps. That's what I'm talking about. You should be proud of yourself making it this far. Not an easy feat, especially if you're not used to doing this. Hopefully you have fun throughout the process and you got what you need to get out of this workout. Now, thank you for joining me on this journey to the Ultra Valley. And if you liked the video, please comment and subscribe. And always work towards becoming your greatest version.